gonna get there in time.
I wonder if there's like a backlight function, because this is... Nana. Hi, Hayden. Hi, you. Hi, yourself. Hey there, crazy boy. Yeah. Hayden. Hayden Alexander. Hayden. Wow, look at that. Look at that mug.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the message.
That's quite a mug you got there, handsome.
Oh shoot, it's not doing it. Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Hello?
Is this the party to whom I'm speaking? And how are all of us? Well, you want to speak to your sister and your...
No. I want to speak to them. Oh. They're singing happy birthday.
Well, it's beautiful. I'm fine. How are you? Have you read any of that book? Have you read any of it? Okay, well, email me or call me when you read some so I know what you think about it. Okay.
Let's see how scary this gets.
Kevin, sweetheart, I know you're having fun with that, but it's 10 after 8 and we have to give this kid a bath before we put him to bed.
Pretty please. With sugar on top.
Come on.
You heard the lady.
I know, and you have a new friend.
Hayden, you ready to go? You ready to go get a bath? You ready?
Oh, I
Okay.
would love to have a card from you.